Sir, I support in general the resolution brought by Sri Prahlad Joshi to amend the salary allowances and pension of members of Parliament as per 1954 Act. In fact, it's a bill. In fact, I would like even to deduct more. I have given an amendment, you will see, sir. You also have an amendment that for 30% I have proposed 35%. You deduct more. Actually, from our party, our stand is that we support that you take away as much money as you can from MPs because we are easy targets. And so you say that you are doing big thing. But actually, my friend Bhartrihari Mahtab was telling me that all that we are saving is 54 crores. I am saying that you take away all our salary. You give us MPLAD funds. You cannot deduct MPLAD funds. Why should you make MPs targets? Minister can spend any amount of money. And we were doing small works in our constituency, which is the demand of the people of the constituency. You are taking that away. There cannot be Narendra Modi, just because the Prime Minister has 303 MPs, it means that MPs have no value. और ये बीजेपी में कोई आदमी नहीं है जो खड़ा होके बोले ये अन्याय है, हमारे MPLAD नहीं लेना चाहिए। मैं तो जानने चाहता हूं, अगर लोकतंत्र है तो बीजेपी पार्टी के अंदर से आवाज उठना चाहिए कि MPLAD रखना है, don't take it away, and if possibly we increase the MPLAD amount. Kalyan Banerjee has mentioned, I have a similar problem. I gave 50 lakhs to a newly set up COVID hospital in my constituency. That money has not yet gone to the district magistrate from the center. They're holding back money which we had given back last year also. This is most unfortunate. I think the government needs to, instead of making this token gesture, government needs to cut down on bigger expenses. Do you know, sir, how much money has been allocated for creating a new vista for Parliament? 20,000 crores. It is being designed by one Ahmedabad architect, Bimal Patel. And 20,000 crores will be, you are taking petty sums from the MPs. Is this the way to show that the government is practicing frugality? I am very sorry to say it is not. How much does the Prime Minister's personal aircraft cost? Embraer aircraft? This should be brought before the people. If you want to save money, yes, for the COVID patients, whatever money you spend is good, is necessary. But the government must make big gestures and not make us poor MPs targets of their ire. Just because the BJP members cannot speak, the voice of the Parliament cannot be stifled. The MPLAD should be kept. You take away all our money, give us MPLAD. Thank you, sir.